G'day guys, it's Ben again, here to bring another video, and this one is going to be looking at the stance that we use when we're doing archery. Okay, the first thing that we want to do when we're setting ourselves up is that we want to set our whole body up to make sure that when we're shooting, releasing arrows at our target, that we're going to be setting ourselves up properly. So as a former soldier, one of those big principles for shooting is making sure that you're understanding that your body is actually a platform for the weapon system. And the same applies to archery. So we set ourselves up in a nice sort of neutral way that doesn't apply too much strain or pressure on any part of our body. Alrighty, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to have our feet at shoulder width apart. So pretty much like this, shoulder width apart. My toes are pointing in a slightly outwards direction. My knees are slightly bent, making sure there's no undue pressure in that whole area. Alrighty, my whole body needs to be perpendicular to the target. So if my target is down this way, then my body is perpendicular to that target. And the reason for that is that this is the way that body naturally points. I'm going to hold my bow in my non-dominant hand with my arm outstretched. And then when we pull back on our bowstring, I'm not muscling my body to point at the target. My body naturally points at the target. This bow is obviously a bit small for me. It's actually one of the ones that I got for my kids, but the ideas behind it are very, very much the same. So it's just when we're, but it's very useful for me to illustrate the point about what we're trying to achieve in making up that nice, in making up our nice body platform so that we're naturally pointing at the target. And this is one of the key 9 steps to success. Well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll catch you in my next video.